Good evening, viewers. This is Dimas Nugraha with our latest news. In a recent development, scientists have issued a warning regarding a potential Megathrust earthquake that could impact the Bandung area. According to experts, the seismic event called a core along the Sunda Megathrust Earthquake, which runs across the western coast of Java. The predict earthquake could have a magnitude of 8.0 or higher, making it one of the most significant seismic threats in the region. Geologists emphasize that while the timing of such an event is unpredictable, the potential for a powerful earthquake is very real. Authorities are urging residents in the Bandung area and surrounding regions to be prepared. This includes having an emergency plan in place, securing heavy objects from home, and staying informed through official channels. The government and local agencies are also working to strengthen infrastructure and improve emergency response systems to mitigate the potential impact of such a disaster. However, public awareness and preparedness remain critical. We will continue to monitor the situation closely and bring you any updates as they become available. In the meantime, please stay vigilant and prioritize safety. That concludes our report for now. Stay safe and thank you for watching.